Hello, welcome to today's next immigration tidbit. Have you been deported back to your home country because of a crime? Or you know someone who's been deported and you're wondering what can be done? Well, first I need to analyze what the crime is. I need to see if you fought it in immigration court. I need to know if you pled guilty. I need to know when the crime was, what it was, whether they consider you to be an aggravated felon. Because there's different grounds of attack that we can do depending on what the crime was. Now, a lot of times people will commit aggravated felonies, okay? And they make the mistake of thinking because it doesn't say aggravated felony in criminal law that it'll be okay in immigration law, and that's not the case. Sometimes felonies in criminal law don't even make someone inadmissible in immigration law, so it really depends. However, if you pled guilty and you were not properly told of the consequences of doing so. So, for example, if they didn't say to you, if you plead guilty to this, then you're going to be deported. You will be deported for the rest of your life, and you will never be able to come back to the U.S. It's likely you would just say, okay, where do I sign? Likely what happens is they go in and they say, well, this is the best deal you can get. Everything will be fine. You'll be okay. You serve 6 months and you'll be out. They'll say stuff like that. So what we do is we would make a motion to vacate or reduce the sentence such that you're not considered to be an aggravated felon. If that is successful, then we would then make a motion to reopen the immigration court proceedings. Now, if you've already been deported, there still are ways of doing it. Again, we could do the motion to reopen to get back into immigration court, get you paroled back in to show you were not deportable because technically the crime no longer exists, or we could try to do consulate processing depending on what you might qualify for. The important point is that if there is a motion to vacate or reduce, and it is done in accordance with immigration law such that it actually helps you. Unfortunately, some people go to criminal lawyers who do this. They think it's a success, and then when it gets to immigration court, it's not what legally needs to be done under immigration law, and therefore it's not effective. But if it is, there are ways, and we can move forward to help bring you back.